The Lürssen Dilbar stands in 2026 as one of the most remarkable superyachts ever built, not just for its sheer scale but for the blend of engineering, luxury, and nautical ambition it represents. At 156 meters in length with a gross tonnage of 15,917, Dilbar holds the record for the largest interior volume of any yacht delivered to date, translating into extraordinary living and leisure spaces. Stepping aboard Dilbar feels more like entering a floating mansion than a conventional yacht. Its 3,800 square meters of interior volume crafted by winch design use rare and luxurious materials that create an atmosphere of exclusivity and refinement rarely seen outside the world's most opulent estates. The exterior lines of Dilbar, penned by Bespoke International, combine classical yacht elegance with proportions suited to its immense size. The ivory-colored hull with bronze accents gives the vessel a stately yet sleek profile, making it a standout on any horizon. One of the yacht's standout features is its 25-meter-long swimming pool, the largest ever installed on a superyacht, capable of holding some 180 cubic meters of water. This centerpiece of onboard recreation epitomizes the level of luxury Dilbar offers, serving both as a social hub and a visual spectacle. Dilbar doesn't skimp on outdoor amenities either. An expansive garden area with salt-tolerant grass brings a touch of nature to life at sea, offering guests a rare green space that complements the yacht's open deck areas, a thoughtful inclusion that subtly enhances comfort and livability. For aviation access, the yacht includes two helipads, one forward and one aft, facilitating quick transfers from shore or other destinations. This level of logistical flexibility reflects the yacht's design ethos, unrestricted luxury and autonomy wherever it sails. Dilbar's diesel-electric propulsion system, producing around 30,000 kilowatts, is one of the most powerful ever installed on a superyacht. This system delivers a top speed of about 22.5 knots and a comfortable cruising speed around 18 knots, with a range exceeding 6,000 nautical miles, enough to traverse oceans while maintaining onboard comforts. The yacht's scale also necessitates impressive operational support. It is typically managed by around 80 crew members, expandable to 96 when needed, ensuring that guests receive impeccable service and that the vessel runs smoothly at all times. Living accommodations on Dilbar are designed for privacy and comfort, with space for up to 24 guests in 12 lavish cabins, each thoughtfully appointed to provide both luxury and seclusion. This balance of communal and private spaces makes the yacht ideal for both intimate gatherings and larger social experiences. Onboard entertainment and wellness amenities are comprehensive, with spaces such as a spa, gym, movie theater, elevator, and air-conditioned social areas enhancing the appeal of the yacht for extended voyages, a configuration more akin to a high-end resort than a traditional vessel. From a technological standpoint, Dilbar is a marvel. Over 1,100 kilometers of cable weave through its structure to support systems and amenities, and its diesel-electric setup strikes a balance between power and efficiency for a yacht of its magnitude. In 2026, Dilbar remains a symbol of what peak marine engineering and luxury design can achieve. Though not the longest yacht in the world, its exceptional volume, technical sophistication, and unparalleled onboard lifestyle ensure its ongoing reputation as one of the most significant superyachts ever built.